So guys, I was trying to play Genshin Impact, but I'm getting this error. It says under maintenance, server maintenance, head on over to the Hoyo lab, discuss new content, updates, and check out latest game news. So yeah, we can definitely see like the Genshin Impact servers are under maintenance, but what is the new update and how much this server maintenance will last? Today in this video, we'll discuss it all, so let's get started. So there are some reports that Genshin Impact is down, but server connection is the issue. And guys, Genshin Impact 2.8 final countdown is already running. You can see they have already provided the time schedules for which they will carry out the maintenance, and you can see check out all the time zones over here. And into the 2.8 update, we got Summer Fantasia, new characters. Also into the Genshin Impact YouTube channel, we got version 2.8 special program where they have revealed lots of redemption code. I highly recommend you to go there and check out. They have revealed 3 redemption code, guys, and these codes are valid for a very short time, so make sure to grab them. And the reason why they revealed this redemption code is that the server maintenance is going on and they want to compensate their players with some goodies. Now speaking of the most important thing, how much this server maintenance thing will go on, well, they have already disclosed that this maintenance will begin at 6 AM server time on July 13th. But here is the important thing, the maintenance is estimated to take around 5 hours. So there it is, guys, and during that players will be compensated for 300 primogens during the downtime. And checking the 2.8 final countdown, you can see just about 4.5 hours is remaining for the final 2.8 update to roll out. So there it is, guys. Hope you got clear picture on to this update and all that. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.